Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sitaraka Safar, where we unravel the cosmic energies guiding your week. The stars, planets, and moon are aligning in unique ways to bring changes in your life, whether it's in your profession, relationships, or health. Each zodiac has a story this week, and we're here to uncover it for you. As we explore the upcoming week's predictions, keep in mind that these insights are based on your moon sign. So let's dive in and see what's ahead from the 21st of September onwards. Let's now move on to Sagittarius. Firstly, we'll discuss your profession. Jupiter in Taurus provides a boost to your career through opportunities for expansion and growth. This is a favorable week for taking on new projects or seeking advancements. However, be prepared for potential challenges on Thursday due to Uranus's retrograde, which may bring unexpected obstacles. Let's move on to your career development. Mercury in Leo enhances your ability to communicate and strategize effectively. Use this to your advantage for negotiations and presentations. Be cautious on Tuesday as Neptune's influence might cause some confusion or misinterpretations in your professional dealings. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo brings a focus on domestic harmony and family relationships. Positive interactions with family members are likely. Address any potential conflicts constructively, especially around Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's placement enhances your romantic life, bringing opportunities for growth and new connections. If you're in a relationship, expect deepening bonds. For singles, social events may present exciting new romantic prospects. Health wise, with the sun's focus on your 11th house, it is a great time to engage in group activities or sports. Activities like football or swimming will help you stay energized and fit. Balance is essential, especially if work related stress starts to impact your health. Let's move on to Capricorn. Firstly, we'll discuss about your profession. Jupiter in Taurus supports career growth and long-term goals. You may experience positive developments, especially on Thursday when the moon aligns favorably. Be prepared for potential delays or challenges, particularly with authority figures due to Saturn's retrograde. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo enhances your ability to communicate and plan effectively. This is a favorable time for advancing projects and strategic planning. On Tuesday, be cautious of Neptune's influence, which may lead to misunderstandings or misjudgments. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo emphasizes the importance of family harmony and home life. Positive interactions with parents and loved ones are likely. Use this time to address any family matters or home improvements. Be mindful of potential misunderstandings on Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's influence brings opportunities for growth in your romantic life. Expect positive developments and deeper connections. Engage in social activities to enhance your love life and be open to new relationships. Health wise, the sun's focus on your 10th house encourages you to maintain physical health through regular activities. Consider engaging in sports like swimming or walking to stay fit. Balance is crucial, especially with potential work related stress affecting your well being. Let's move on to Aquarius. Firstly, we'll discuss about your profession. Jupiter in Taurus indicates potential for career advancement through innovative ideas and collaborations. Positive developments are likely, particularly on Thursday when the moon aligns favorably. However, be prepared for unexpected changes or challenges. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo enhances your communication skills, making it a good time for negotiations and presentations. Be cautious of Neptune's influence on Tuesday, which may cause confusion or miscommunication in your professional interactions. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo highlights a period of focus on home and family. Positive interactions with family members are likely. Address any issues or conflicts constructively, especially around Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's placement boosts your romantic opportunities, bringing potential for growth and new connections. For those in relationships, expect positive developments, engage in social activities to enhance your love life and make new connections. Health wise, the sun's influence on your ninth house encourages you to maintain physical health through activities that stimulate both body and mind. Engage in activities like sports or long walks. Balance is important, especially with potential stress from work or personal life. Let's move on to our last horoscope of the week, Pisces. Firstly, we'll discuss about your profession. Jupiter's position in Taurus supports career growth and stability. Opportunities for advancement are likely, especially on Thursday when the moon aligns favorably. However, be mindful of potential delays or obstacles due to Saturn's retrograde. Let's talk about your career development. Mercury in Leo enhances your communication and creativity. Use this time to advance projects or pitch new ideas. Neptune's influence on Tuesday may lead to confusion, so clarify details before making decisions. Let's talk about your family life. Venus in Virgo brings a focus on family harmony and home life. Positive interactions with parents and loved ones are likely. Address any family issues constructively, especially around Wednesday due to Mercury's alignment. Let's talk about your love life. Jupiter's influence enhances your romantic prospects, bringing opportunities for growth and new relationships. Expect positive developments and deeper connections. Engage in social activities to enhance your love life. Health wise, with the sun in your 8th house, focus on maintaining physical well being through activities that help manage stress. Engage in activities like swimming or sports to stay fit. Balance is essential, especially with potential stress affecting your health. That wraps up this week's cosmic forecast. As the stars continue to shine their light on us, remember that your moon sign provides a unique perspective on how you navigate your week. Embrace the opportunities for growth, tackle any challenges with confidence, and stay tuned for more celestial insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how the stars are aligning in your life. Until next time, goodbye.